on your website. So you don't want the real email that is on your website. You want to change it to another email. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is you may want to register your email here on this website here, mail.com. So mail.com gives you the possibility to create a professional email for your website. At mail.com you can just log in, register your name, and you can go from here. If you want to create email for your website, go here and click email right there. So if you want to use your domain, go to click domains. That will take you to where you can use your domain, where you can type your domain, and you're ready to go. So choose username. So yes, select the email domain for your custom address. So you type in the name here, the name of your website here, and this will check for you. You are going to click check availability. So when check availability, so this is going to let you know that your domain is available, the email is available. Then you are going to fill in all this form here. You are going to fill in your details here, and you are ready to go. When you finish with that, your name, you agree with the terms. Your name, your account will be created. Your email, another great online platform where you can get a free email address, professional email address for your website is the Website Affiliate platform here. If you are using the platform to host your website, the Website Affiliate platform is one of the top platforms that you can use to host your website, and it is one of the best platforms that you can learn everything about online business. So just to show you the platform here, so let's say you are using this platform here for your website. So you're just gonna go to the website area and you want to go to the email here. So here's the email right there. So when you click the site email here, it's going to take you to where you can create a free professional email for your website. So let's click on the email there. So here is where you can create a free professional email for your website. So these are all my website email here. So to create an email for your website, just scroll down here. So click on this box here and type in the email that you want, the name that you want. Then you choose the domain of your website here. You choose one of your website here, and then you create a professional email. So here are some of my website here. So to copy the password, just go here, password, copy the password in. Then to go over to your website, copy the email here, and go over to your website and change it. It will be created. So now that your email has been created, you want to add the email to your website. Let's go over to one of my website here. So to change the domain, the email address on your website, you want to go to settings down here. So over to settings down here. So when you over to the settings area, you go to general. Yeah. So this is the former email that I'm using now. So now I want to use another email. Let's say I want to use this email here. So you want to type the new email that you just created. So let's say the new email that I just created is this one now. So you want to scroll down here and click Save Changes. So when you click Save Changes, so there is an email that will be sent to your new email address. So you are going to confirm. Until you confirm, this email is going to still remain the same. But until you go to your new email and confirm it, the mail is going to change to the new email here. So here you can also change your site title here if you like. You can add your tagline of your website there. Okay, You can change the user here. You can change the language of your site here. You can change the time zone here. You can change the week start here, and so on and so forth. So that's how you change the email address on your website. If you have any question or anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.